Guys, today's video is going to be super short, but I do want you to, when you leave here, to go and actually practice that skill. And so today's lesson is about adding text or titles to your movies on iMovie. So stick around. Hey guys, so today is a really quick lesson on adding text. I'm going to show you quickly how you can add text and then you can go practice. So the way that you do text is you click on either the video or the image on your iMovie, and there's several options at the bottom. One is actions, one is speed, and that won't come on unless it's a video. One is volume, same thing, it won't come on unless it's a video. Then it's titles, and there you see lots of different options pop up. What you're going to do is pick a title, and up here where my name is, there's a title. A box pops up, and you can type what you want to say. So there, I typed what I want to say, and I'm having a problem because they're overlapping, so I'm going to choose lower. Did you see what happened? You could press center if you want it in the middle, or lower if you want it at the bottom. You can also, while your text is in there, try different options. See what it looks like. There, I kind of like that. And so all of them are constantly moving, so you can kind of tell what action is going to happen when you're playing it. So let's see what that looks like. Okay. So that was today's lesson. I know it was very short, but it's good to practice. And I think once you know how to do it, you can go and try it out yourself. So thank you for watching this video on how to put text onto your movies.